thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
तो आज हम लोग आए हैं कैफे एकांते के चाइनीज रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर फुल
सो फ्रेंड्स, जब तक खाने का ऑर्डर आता नहीं है, लेट्स सी द कैफे एकांते रेस्टोरेंट. Yes, it's a Chinese restaurant floating on water. Yes, it's a boat which is floating on water. They have wonderful sitting area on the boat, and they do have a wonderful garden restaurant also. This is the garden portion. Cafe Ekante is exactly in between the Eco Park Lake in Newtown Eco Park. Yes, we are now entering the boat. Such a wonderful, just see, such a wonderful place. Air conditioned boat. Yes, they do have outdoor sitting area on the boat. It gives a magnificent look of the entire Eco Park. Let me give you a drone view of Cafe Ekante.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
It was a wonderful dinner and wonderful evening at Cafe Ekante. Just see the ambience while my family is going in this battery operated car. Wonderful looking area. Yeah, it's a must come. Do remember Cafe Ekante, Eco Park, Newtown.
How was the food of Cafe Ekante? Good. Enjoyed a lot. Yay!